Okay, we're gonna say good morning.
Okay.
At the same time.
Oh, that's lame.
Let's go like this. Good morning. 1, 2,
That's so lame.
3. Good morning.
No, again.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Good morning. No,
I look too happy.
1, 2, 3.
Good morning.
1, 2, 3. Good morning. How's it going? Welcome to another day of Vlogmas. We're about to go to this.
That's weird that it's Vlogmas, but it's like hot.
Yeah, it's 56.
As I'm in a scarf.
We're going to this little cafe called Cafe Lola because it's super Instagrammable and that's all we care about in life.
I just posted a photo.
Of what?
Go like it.
Okay.
It's a shocker.
Wowza! That's with the white bar. I like it.
To block my nipples. Do you know how long it took me an app to find how to put a white bar on your photo? There's probably like a million.
Did you just listen to the way you said those words?
No. Do you know how long it took me an app to find how to put a white bar on your photo?
We're number 25, like Christmas.
And my birthday.
About that. Oh yeah! Look how cute this place is. Whatever Lola wants, Lola gets. How cute this is.
What the?
Hey! Thirsty paint. Whoop whoop. We're going to check out Graffiti Mansion. But what's he doing right now? Send him a message. Dude, Joey would flip out. House is so badass. What a badass. Hey buddy. Wait, did you watch like a documentary about this house or something?
No, I googled it. I was looking at like buying it. Is this our car?
Yeah, this is us. I keep forgetting what car we have.
Yeah, if we were getting like murdered or someone was shooting at us, I would die because you never let me in.
So apparently he bought this house for like $1.2 million and he like paints it. They spray paint it?
Yeah. There's videos on YouTube of them that they make of their like painting the house every time.
I'll link some stuff down below so y'all can check it out. And if y'all are in Vegas, definitely come check it out because it's freaking badass. He said he doesn't know where that sign came from. Someone just put it there. Caitlin, guess what game I grabbed? Nice moves. We're at Beer Park and it's super cute here because we're right under the Eiffel and also they're playing Christmas music and they're playing Home Alone on the TVs. Oh my god. The person with the most Instagram followers typically starts as the judge. Okay. Unless they bought followers or use 100 hashtags on each post. If you have a friend who does that, slap them firmly in the face.
Disqualify.
Oh.
Not the buying one because we're organic as fuck. Seriously. If you buy your
Organic
followers.
as fuck. Hole 1. When he asks if you spit or swallow but you gargle.
You promise to be more positive and your pregnancy test takes you seriously. When you're 3 drinks deep and you feel your inner host starting to come out.
Oh, I like that one. The face you make when helping your son look for his Halloween candy you ate last night.
Oh, I have a good one.
Oh, I got a good one. When your wife gives birth to an Asian baby, but neither of you are Asian.
That's hilarious. Aw, mine I've heard before, but it's when all 4 of your boyfriends are at the same bar. Gotta go back.
Alright, are you ready?
For what?
To play Rock'em Sock'em.
Let's go. You didn't record me when you turned it, but that's
okay. Are you ready? Let's do this.
My thumbs aren't strong enough.
I win!
Ready?
Go! What? gosh. And then we're running because we gotta get the picture before the show ends. Oh.
He wants to be like me so bad. Someone better fish that Fiji out. It's gonna drown.
Caitlin, it's time for Caesars. Are you ready for
Caesar salad in full.
Oh my god, that was so funny. I'm a hoot. They're taking pictures.
Of?
Me.
We don't hate on the paparazzi. We are going to TMZ for sure. They are really in the pool.
It is?
It is? Omnia Mavantarvi Nosetsmavarni in Ilias.
It means let's get lit.
Let's party. The making of a boomerang. Is that the lifeguard tower? I would totally lifeguard here.
That is old. So we forgot to end the vlog last night. We came home and then we passed out. So we're gonna end the vlog right here, and then I'm gonna start the vlog right here. That's not what's gonna happen. Make sure to subscribe down below before you go so you don't miss tomorrow's episode of Vlogmas. Give it a big thumbs up if you're enjoying Vlogmas so far. And I love you guys so much. Later, skaters. Put your hand over the camera lens.